So the portion of this week, it's Shmot. What is Shmot? Shmot in Hebrew means names. Because what this parasha, and especially this whole actually book of Shmot, it's the book of Exodus, talks about transformation. Basically, it's all about transformation. Being on earth, it's to transform ourselves. The major Kabbalistic tools is basically using the names. The names has the ability and the power to transform us from being reactive to proactive, from takers to givers, to be leaders, to be sharing, to be that people that we are, deep inside. In other words, to become creators, to become proactive, to get the strength to do this work, we need to have tools. And the tools in a DNA level, it's the letters, it's the names, basically. So basically, this portion, we talks about the names that Moses used in order to tell the Israelites that he's been sent to help the Israelites to come out of Egypt. And the next portion, it's the names that you use in order to have the 10 plagues and to eventually, come out of Egypt. And then the names that they use for the splitting of the Red Sea. And then the names that they receive, which is the 10 commandments, which the actual translation is 10 entrances. It's names. All the book is talking about names. And we need to know that the holy names are really the major tool. We don't appreciate the power of words. We don't know how important they are, because basically words, it's the special energy that we have that distinguish between us and the animal kingdom. Because we, as human, we have the ability to connect with the divine. We have the ability to connect with the divine that manifested as wisdom, as thoughts, as special actions, special talents, etc. These special abilities that humans have in their potential. And it's manifested through the words. And the holy names are special words, because holy means important, very important. And the only way that we will have the strength to transform is when we feel the importance. And when you read the names, which is understanding the secrets, you start to appreciate the importance of these holy names and the energy inside of us, this divine energy, this important, holy, whatever we call in order to distinguish that it's a very important thing, give us the strength to work for something much bigger than the small things that we're doing every day. So how to use the names in general and what it is in this parasha, how to come out from our own Egypt, the exodus for our own Egypt, our own limitations, and to reach our potential. It's about meditations, it's about prayers, and it's about also learning. Because when you learn something and you know that there is many more secrets in these holy names, like the old Torah, it's holy names. The Zohar decoding these names. And the Zohar has a lot of holy names in it. It's all kind of, it's giving you desire. When you start to understand it, it gives you a taste of what there is, the secrets that there is there. Then you work on yourself to get more of it. And we know that as much that you learn the holy names, all the illusions, that all the different addictions and desires that look so big, and this is what I want, this is going to make me happy, suddenly you realize that it's not it. We need to connect with the big picture, the actual real work that we need to do on earth to transform, and then eventually all the rest will work out. But it's giving us the energy when we're learning it. Also, the meditation is to repeat the same word like a mantra, or to see the letters and to see the names, etc. Prayers, it's prayers that's written by people that were connected with the divine. So, and to meditate while you're praying as well, and to use these special, very specific words. This is a very powerful thing. This is the method that Moses used, and this is the method that we can use. This is the whole teaching of Kabbalah. It's about names. This is why the second book after Genesis, it's names, because over here you have like us as a nation of people that manage to use the names to come out of their limitation and to achieve their potential in a very, very high level, which you see that the end of the whole book of Exodus talks about that they built the tabernacle, and in the tabernacle they reveal the names, they reveal the prophecy, they reveal this amazing energy of the Creator, the divine inside of us, that give us the ability to have all the good things that the Creator wants to give us eventually. This is our job, to transform. So we get the energy to transform. Thank you.